Every year at this show, there's quite an assortment of windows. How would this one look in your living room? Actually, I don't even think the walls in my house are tall enough to accommodate a unit like this, but it looks great. But you know what's really innovative about this window is something you can't even see. Embedded inside the frame of this screen is a magnet, and another magnet here. And the result is a nice way to keep a screen on a casement window like this closed all the time. And you don't have any type of hardware that would take away from the sleek look of a wood unit like this. Now, another thing that Jeld-Wen's done with magnets is embedded another magnet inside the frame of their single hung windows that allows it to lock automatically when you close the window. What a great security measure for your home. For security of a different kind, the folks here at Jeld-Wen are also showing doors and windows made with Auralast. This is their unique vacuum pressure wood treatment process that protects the wood through and through, not just on the surface. That means last-minute trimming and nail or screw holes won't open up the wood to decay once it's out in the weather.